this episode of the GNHR Health Report, we're going to look at various food items that have been recalled due to potential foodborne illnesses or undeclared allergen contaminations or bacterial contaminations. Go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this and stay tuned for more details about each of the recalls. On October 4th, the Youngstown grape distributors voluntarily recalled the tropical root juice and strawberry field juice of Happy Moons because the portion of production did not complete the high-pressure processing treatment. This is something that prolongs the product's shelf life and prevents spoilage and significantly reduces the risk of pathogens such as Salmonella, Listeria monocytogenes, and E. coli. The juices are distributed in the states listed below, so take your time and see if you can find yours. And the flavors are again the tropical root and the strawberry field juices. These products that were affected were sold in the 12 fluid ounce RPET plastic bottles that are shipped in 9-count boxes to distributors. Here are the UPC numbers and the best buy dates. Both of them will be in December of 2024. You will find that at the bottom of the bottle. If you or somebody you know has these products, you want to return it to your place of purchase for full refund. And for inquiries, you can contact Youngstown Grape Distributors at the number listed below. Korean Seasoned Seaweed has been recalled due to undeclared sesame allergen on the outer package. People who have an allergy or severe sensitivity to sesame run the risk of serious or life-threatening allergic reactions if they consume this. The 5 inner packages has the correct allergen information, but the outer packages have the incorrect allergen declarations. Stay tuned for more details about this. The last distribution of the product in the marketplace was on October 8th. You're looking for the 3.52 ounce packages of this Korean Seasoned Seaweed. It's distributed in the states listed below. Again, the outer packaging has the wrong UPC number, which is listed here, but the inner packages will have the correct UPC number. Once again, if you have a sesame allergen, you want to avoid this product. Or somebody you know who will be affected by the undeclared sesame allergen, you want to return to your place of purchase for a full refund. You may also contact the company at the email listed below for further inquiries. Plus, Andy's Food is also recalling their sweet corn pancakes due to potential wheat allergen. People who have an allergy or severe sensitivity run a risk of serious or life-threatening allergic reactions if they consume this product. The recall was initiated after it was discovered that the product containing wheat is distributed in packaging that did not reveal the presence of wheat. Subsequent investigation indicates that the problem was caused by a labeling issue during the company's labeling process. Lot numbers of this product can be found at the bottom of the bag in the blue label and range from the numbers listed here. These items were distributed to Florida and then from there went to retail and wholesale customers. If you or somebody you know is in possession of this product, you can contact Trimar USA to arrange for the return of the product. Recalls involve Listeria monocytogenes contaminations. Therefore, let's go ahead and take up the risk of those. So food items that have Listeria can cause listeriosis, which shows up in the symptoms listed below. The symptoms can last for days to several weeks, therefore you are advised to seek medical attention. Young children, frail or elderly people, and those with weakened immune systems should be on high alert. Also, Listeria could result in serious adverse events such as miscarriages and stillbirths among pregnant women. Enoki mushrooms are recalling their mushrooms due to Listeria contamination. The potential for contamination was noted after routine testing by Maryland State Department of Health. The distribution of the product has since been suspended. Here's what you're looking for. The Enoki mushrooms were distributed from California and New York to distributors, wholesalers, and retail stores across the nation. They will be the 5.3 ounce packages with this UPC number listed here and the lot code of 4877. If you or somebody you know is in possession of these mushrooms, you want to return it to your place of purchase for a full refund, and you can contact Enoki Mushroom Farm at the number listed here. Mrs. Fine Foods is voluntarily recalling a limited number of their Bistro 28 and Don Pancho chicken meal kits. These are recalled due to potential Listeria monocytogenes contamination. The recalled chicken is from an outside ingredient supplier, and Mrs. Fine Foods is no longer using any ingredients from the ingredient supplier's impacted facility. Number of listed states of which these products were distributed to, so take a moment to see if your state is listed below. Here are pictures of the meal kits that have been affected by the recall. The Bistro 28 creamy green chili chicken enchiladas have been recalled, as have the chicken street tacos, the chicken quesadillas, and the chicken burrito bowls. For the Don Pancho's meal kit, it will be the express meals that are the chicken street tacos, the chicken enchiladas, and the chicken quesadillas. Here's a rough list of each item's UPC number, the size of the packaging, and then the date range of which these packages are viable for use. Please note that the use by dates end in November of 2024, so this is something that you may still have in your possession. If you or somebody you know is in possession of these products, you want to either discard the product or return to the place of purchase for a full refund. You may also contact Mrs. Fine Foods at the number listed below for any further inquiries. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share for more content like this, and be sure to follow us on Instagram and TikTok at GNHR. See you in the next one.